In this final video of the Explain Learning series, we will cover the Coaching tab. In the Coaching tab, you will be able to see all of the individual development plans, coaching agendas, schedule one-on-one coaching sessions, and coaching goals that you've created for each individual person in your team. Now, in the Coaching tab, there are two different views. You have the individual view, where you can see all of the coaching goals and their progress to their coaching goals for one specific person in your team. But if you select the person's name and click all for your whole team instead of one person's name and press apply, this will give you access to the manager view. In the manager view, you will have different reports to learn more about your coaching initiatives. First, in the manager view, you'll have your schedule for your entire team. Here you will have your calendar, which will show you your upcoming coaching sessions with the 2-person symbol. It will show you the due date of your coaching goals with the yellow bar, and with the green bar, you will see all of your must-win opportunities. On the right side, you'll see your upcoming coaching sessions and anyone in your team who needs a session, and when was the last time they had a coaching session. If we keep scrolling down, you will find the coaching health report. You can change the filter for the coaching health report and look at the last 30 days, last 60 days, last 3 months, last 12 months, or year to date. In this scenario, we'll look at the last 12 months. Here I can see the coaching health score for my entire team. This is the average of the coachability score for my entire team. You'll also be able to see all of your scheduled coaching sessions and how many people in your team still need a coaching session. You'll be able to see a small report in regards to your total coaching goals, anyone in your team who has a goal in progress, anyone who has had a goal in the last 12 months, anyone who has achieved a goal, and also people who have not achieved their coaching goals. You will see a breakdown of the last 4 months and all of the coaching goals by month. You'll also be able to see what are your favorite activities and skills that you choose from. At the very bottom of the manager view in the coaching tab, you will find our honeycomb view. Here you can sort by different filters. For example, if I want to look at my top performers in regards to coachability score, I can select coachability score, and this shows me that Thomas is at 96%, meaning that he is my most coachable person in my team, and then I can see the rest of my team. If I go to progress to goal, I can see who is closest or at their sales target. Here I can see that David Goldberg is at 129% of his sales target, and then I can see all the other people who follow after that. If you select process, you'll be able to see who has the strongest pipeline. So here I can see that Jillian has the strongest pipeline at 104% process. If I was a manager of a manager and I want to compare amongst different teams, then I can turn on the team view section, which instead of showing me one individual, it will show me the entire team. On the right side, you have secondary source. So for example, if I wanted to see who my top performer is in regards to progress to goal, but also secondarily, who has the best process, by selecting both of those sorts, it will show me a combination of my top performer in progress to goal and process. In this case, it's Jillian. Also, if I want to filter by who has a coaching goal, who has been assigned an individual development plan, or who needs a one-on-one coaching session, I can do that as well. So here, I can see that 2 of my people right now have a coaching goal and the rest do not have a coaching goal. If I look at individual development programs, I can see who has an individual development program and who doesn't in my team, and so on. At the very bottom of the coaching tab, if you're still looking at the manager view, you will find shortcuts. Here you'll be able to see all of your upcoming coaching sessions, coaching goals that you've assigned, sales goals, and also a list of all of the agendas that you've created in the past during your one-on-one coaching sessions. Next, let's take a look at the individual view in the coaching tab. So I'm going to go ahead and select one of my salespeople. And here, the first thing that I'll see is an overview from the scorecard section. On the right side, I'll see their sales goal and their progress to their sales goal. I can delete or edit the sales goal at any time. Next, I will find all of the individual development programs that I have assigned to this individual. These are the programs that they're currently working on to help them improve or learn a new skill. Next, I will see my active coaching goals and my completed coaching goals. Here you'll be able to see all of the coaching goals that they're currently working on. Any goals that have not been accepted will say waiting pending, and all of your goals that have been accepted will show as accepted. You'll be able to see their progress to their activity goals, and also you'll be able to see which skill goals are in progress. On the right side, you'll be able to see completed goals. As a manager, if you ever need to change the status of a goal, all you have to do is click inside of the goal title, And on the right side, you'll be able to select Closeout Goal. Here, you can mark a goal as achieved or not achieved. In this scenario, we will mark this coaching goal as achieved. If we keep scrolling down, the next section will be the coaching goals queue. You can create coaching goals, which will be loaded into the coaching goals queue. And when you're ready to assign those coaching goals, all you have to do is click on the eye on the right side, remove the draft button, and from here you can assign a start date and an end date for this coaching goal. Then you'll have to schedule the follow-up. You can press save, and this will create the coaching goal. It will move the coaching goal from the coaching goals queue into the active coaching goals section. Towards the end of the coaching tab in the individual view, you'll see all of your general notes, which is a place where you can keep track of your notes. On the right side, you'll see your calendar for this specific individual that you're looking at. And at the very bottom of the coaching tab, you will see all the coaching agendas that you have already created. You can go back and look at all the previous coaching sessions that you've had and the conversations that you had with your team member. If one of your team members logs into Xvoyant, they will only have access to the coaching and the scorecard tab, and they will only see their own profile. But as a manager, you'll be able to click in between people and look at everyone's profile, and also you'll have access to the team, the reports, and the settings tab. This has been an introduction to the coaching tab. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to your customer experience manager.